Hi, Leo here from Smart Tech Pulse. Thinking of upgrading your home security? Today we're breaking down 6 of the most popular smart cameras on the market: Blink, Arlo, Wyze, Google Nest, Eufy, and Reolink. Let's find out which one's right for you. Blink cameras, budget. Simplicity. Blink is Amazon's answer to easy wireless home security. Super affordable, with models like the Blink Outdoor 4 offering 1080p video, motion alerts, and up to 2 years of battery life. Great for first-timers, but no local storage unless you buy the sync module. Arlo cameras, smart and powerful. Arlo brings premium features like 2K or 4K resolution, color night vision, and AI-powered detection. If you want crisp footage and detailed alerts, Arlo is a strong pick, but subscriptions are almost a must to unlock its full potential. Wyze cameras, big value in a small package. Wyze is the underdog with a cult following. Starting under $35, you get 1080p video, night vision, and free cloud storage options. The app is user-friendly and gets better with every update. Just don't expect military-grade durability. Google Nest Cam, smart integration king. Got a Google smart home? Nest Cam fits right in. With great facial recognition, smart alerts, and sleek design, it feels premium. But it's priced that way too. Without Nest Aware, features feel limited. Eufy, no subscription? No problem. Eufy is big on privacy and skips the cloud fees. Local storage is standard, and you still get 2K resolution, human detection, and a solid app. Think of it as Arlo Lite without the recurring cost. Reolink, advanced control for power users. Reolink gives you full control. Whether it's PoE, battery-powered, or 4K wireless cams, it's DIY heaven. Tons of storage options, great night vision, and works without being tied to big tech. Just be ready for a deeper setup. Here's the quick rundown. Blink and Wyze are best for tight budgets. Arlo and Nest shine with smart features, but you'll pay for them. Eufy wins for local storage, and Reolink offers the most flexibility. No matter your setup or budget, there's a smart cam here that fits. Which camera would you trust with your front door? Check out more information before you buy on these and other tech items on smarttechpulse.com. See you next time, and as always, thanks for watching.